In the NHL, that would be the Vancouver Canucks taking on the Colorado Avalanche. They're pretty good, too, second in the Central. Canucks have lost 2 straight, have surrendered 14 goals in the last 2 games. Vancouver hasn't lost 3 in a row this season. Nikola Jokic in the crowd with his daughter. Halfway through the first, Brock Besser threading the needle to J.T. Miller. His 4th goal in the past 2 games. Take another look at the great pass by Besser. Canucks up 1-0 as he beats Alexander Georgiev there. Early second period, same score. Jack Johnson, the shot toward the net. It's wide, but Ryan Johansson gets the rebound and scores. The puck actually deflected off the boards right to Johansson. I think that was the plan. We're tied at 1, and you know who's happy?
Who?
Jokic and his daughter. See? How cute is that? Later in the period, same score, Avalanche power play. Nathan McKinnon, the wrister. Save is made by Thatcher Demko. Yeah, Demko's able to swap the second chance away. He had 24 saves. Jokic is like, boy, this is nerve-wracking. Yeah, that's hockey. Game tied at 1 after 2. Early thirds, still tied. Avs. Johansson from the blue line, and he scores his 3rd multi-goal game this season. Take another look at that shot, putting Colorado up 2-1, beating Demko. Later in the period, same score. Elias Pettersson taps one, and Niles Hoglander tries to wrist one, but the save is made by Georgiev, who had 24 stops, who seems to play in every game for the Colorado Avalanche in the net. Colorado would add an empty net goal, and they hang on to beat Vancouver. Solid win by the score of 3-1. Yes, Nikola Jokic and his daughter love it. Maybe they were good luck.